Hey guys, today I have the Allure beauty box for the month of October. Just got this in the mail, so I wanted to share it with you guys. So the first thing in here is the little pamphlet. And as always, they do go ahead and share what the full size of the products come out to be. But sadly, none of these are full size products. So for the most part, you can't really relate to the amount that's in here. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely follow me. My links are down below. If you want to follow me on social media, I have them all down below there. And if you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe. I do a lot of unboxing and a lot of makeup reviews and things like that. You can definitely just scroll through my videos and see all the variety of videos that I have been doing. So they do have the little paper, the little tissue paper. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump in. For the most part, a lot of times they have these like little coupon codes if you want to buy something online from certain, I guess, I don't know, certain people and stuff like that. Sometimes it's kind of weird because it's like random. Like this is like a jewelry company and they just like randomly put it in there. So I don't know what's up with that. First thing in here that I see is a little mini Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Clean. I actually have the full size of this. I absolutely love it. I actually bought it like in a holiday Sephora kit. This smells really, really good. It smells like coconut, like beachy. I am going to not open this and just go ahead and put this into a giveaway for you guys. So definitely follow me on Instagram. It's just easier for me to get in contact with you guys via Instagram. So definitely we'll be putting that in a little giveaway for you guys. But I love that cream, but it is the little itty bitty little like mini version for it. Next thing in here is the M61 Power Glow Peel. This is an exfoliating facial peel, and it says it's just a quick quick glycolic and salicylic acid exfoliating. This seems like a little bit too strong for my skin, so I definitely will probably give this to my mom or put it in a giveaway for you guys, just because it is super exfoliating, and a lot of these things can really put my skin even drier than what it is. So not going to be using that. Next thing in here is the Lumify. It's a redness reliever eye drop. I don't even know what's in here. Like I thought this was supposed to be like a beauty box. I am not happy about this. This seems to be like a full size object, and I'm let down. This is an eyedropper. So yeah, it's an eyedropper. That is the only thing that's full size in here, and I feel like these boxes have been getting like crappier and crappier. I'm actually just thinking that I'm going to unsubscribe and cancel it. So they kind of got me the first time around when so apparently it's like a little contest that they're holding on the back. It doesn't say how much the eye drops are, so I guess that's a bonus in here, but not really impressed. Next thing in here is the mineral bath salt to take a shower with. These I really enjoy in a bath, and it's probably, it says 1 to 2 uses, so you just put these in and kind of have like a relaxing bath. But I don't know, it just then next up is the Sunday Riley Ice cream, and it is super like itty bitty bitty, and I still have my wristband from the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween because we went last night, but they freaking put this thing on so tight. If you want to check out any of my Disney stuff, I do have a Disney account as well for Instagram. So this is really tiny. I love Sunday Riley. I have a few of their creams. Right now I'm only on Curology because I want to do a review for you guys, and they sent over like their kits, so I'm testing that out for you guys. But I do love Sunday Riley's things, but I have gotten like full size Sunday Riley in Ipsy and Boxycharm. So to get this little tiny little quarter size thing, I don't know. I'm just next thing in here is the Eye Lights Metallic Eyeshadow, and this is a black shimmer. So I don't even know who would want this. Not my style, not even gonna swatch it. And the last thing in here is the Model Co Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. This is a full size, and it has a little neutral trio in here. They're all shimmer colors, and it's something that I probably have dupes of, so I'm not gonna go ahead and swatch these just because I don't want to ruin it. I think I'm gonna include that little trio in a giveaway. That little trio is actually worth $13, and the little eye lights, this one is worth $9. So I'll put both of those in a giveaway. Hopefully someone creative who likes a black shimmer will probably use that a little bit better, or just give it to a child to play with or something. I don't know. I am so disappointed. Everything in this box I don't like. The only things that I do like are things that this I do like, but I guess it's just an okay size, and this is so miniature. If you look back on my Allure Beauty boxes, the first one that I got, I was so hyped about. I was super excited that I had subscribed with them, and I do pay with this with my own money, and it's $17 a month. So I'm just over it. I am going to cancel for now because I can't deal with this. Like, I do not like this. In the last months, I've just been like, there's like one product here or there that I like, and I'd rather subscribe to something that has more full-size products. I'm actually really excited for, what is it, the Boxycharm 2.0. I think I'm gonna subscribe to that and do those unboxings for you guys, but I feel like this is just done with. And to top it off, for them to have like an eyedropper in here, I'm just like, really? You did that? So yeah, this is a thumbs down, 2 thumbs down. I am going to cancel my subscription, so you probably won't see boxes of Allure anymore on my channel, and hopefully you will see other ones popping up like the Boxycharm 2.0, and then I don't know, I might do other ones. I searched the web for certain ones. If you have any recommendations, leave them down below. I do research them, kind of see here and there. I know a lot of people have told me Tribe, and Tribe actually sent me one for review purposes, and I just felt like it was not worth the amount of money compared to the products that it had in there. So I think that Boxycharm is a better value for your buck, because Tribe is like $30 or $35, so yeah. Anyways, let me stop rambling. I've been going at this for about 8 minutes or so. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. What are your thoughts? Have you unsubscribed to Allure Beauty Box? I definitely am going to. I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinion, or if you absolutely love this box. I'd love to hear from you down below. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.